this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reprint labels after you loaded an outbound order. The reason you would do this is there's a chance a label potentially has fallen off one of your Gaylord boxes or pallets as you've completed the loading process. So in order to reprint a label, you're going to go to recycling, go to outbound orders. You know, depending if your order is in partially loaded or completed would depend on where you would search, but in this case we're going to search in partially loaded. Now what you'll do is double click the order, and you'll be able to see all the pallets that are pertaining to this particular order. So you would have to locate the pallet, select it, ensure the printer you want to print to is selected, and just hit print. So you can keep going through this process and hit print, and that'll continually reprint the label. Well, that's how you reprint labels, guys.